In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your availability in Calendly. Whether you're a seasoned Calendly user or just getting started, knowing how to adjust your availability is fundamental to making sure your schedule is effectively managed. Let's dive into this straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be a pro at setting your hours. First things first. Open up your web browser and go to Calendly's website. If you're even remotely familiar with scheduling software, you'll feel right at home here. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have your username and password on hand, or use any of the single sign-on options if Calendly offers that for you. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Calendly home page. This is your control center for managing appointments, events, and of course, your availability. On the top menu or navigation panel, locate the scheduling section and click on it. This area helps you view all the various event types you've already set up. If you're new to the platform, it might look a bit empty, but don't worry. This can be quickly populated as you create new events. Now, with your event types in view, select an event to adjust its availability. If you haven't created any events yet, you might need to do so before you can fine-tune the availability settings. Selecting an event will bring you to a more detailed overview. Here you will find various settings related to that particular event. Once you're inside an event's details, look for the section labeled Availability. Clicking on this will display your current schedule, showing which days and times are open for bookings. Calendly's interface is notably user-friendly, meaning this part will be intuitive even if it's your first time. The heart of setting availability lies in selecting the days and hours you want to open up for scheduling. Plan this around your personal and professional commitments. Simply check off the days of the week that you're intending to make available for meetings or appointments. Additionally, you'll be able to fine-tune the hours of each selected day. Perhaps you only want to be open for appointments in the afternoons. This is where you can make those specific adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the days and times you've set, make sure to save any changes. Most platforms, including Calendly, have a save or confirmation button you need to click before leaving the page. Trust me, you don't want to think it's updated, only to find out that your changes didn't stick. And there you have it. You've successfully set your availability in Calendly. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, a well-managed schedule means more productivity and less stress.